In this video, we're going to learn how to use Google Sheets to do calculations for data so we don't have to do each one individually. So I have here a column with two sets of numbers, and I want to manipulate, let's say it's some data I've taken, and I want to manipulate this data in some way. Maybe I want to multiply these numbers. To tell Google Sheets that I want to do a calculation, I'm going to start with the equals sign. From there, I can use my mouse to select a certain piece of data I want to use. So let's say I want to multiply 4. I'm going to click on it. It's going to fill in the row and column there. That'd be A2. And I want to multiply that. So I'm going to go Shift 8, which is my little asterisk there, by this number 2 here. So I'll click again. And that'll fill in that coordinate B2. You could also type that instead, but it's easier usually to click on the ones you want. And I'm going to click enter. Google Sheets here is usually going to recognize what you're trying to do. If I clicked autofill right here, it's going to do the same thing now for all the other rows. It's going to copy that formula I just did, A2 times B2, but now it's going to replace the 2's with 3's and so on to multiply those going across. Let's say I missed that and it didn't do that for some reason. What I could do, instead of having to go and type in each of those individually, I could click the box where I've done that formula, and I'll see that the bottom right here has a little dot. If I click and drag on that dot down, it will copy that formula, again, replacing the values for each row. Okay. So there you go. Try to use this now to fill out the rest of this data table. If you scroll down, you'll be able to check your work. Great. For the lab, over here, you're going to be inputting your data. I've put some fake dummy data here of times and positions. Please do not write anything in the gray rows. Peace.